Assalamu alaikum. Today we're making the viral Blue Moon Frappe, a drink that looks like a dream and tastes like a tropical vacation. 1 glass of chilled water, ice cubes 1 bowl full, two tablespoons of powder milk, one teaspoon of powder sugar, icing sugar, one teaspoon of classic coffee, Most people never think to mix these two, but the creaminess of the milk powder ties the bitterness of the coffee and the tanginess of the berry into one perfect velvety blend. 3 tablespoons of blueberry syrup, It's not just a treat, it's a functional summer boost. The Blue Moon Frappe. It's creamy, it's icy, and it's 100% unique. Try this at home, tag me in your recreations, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more summer magic.